Welcome to your first day of arch202. So this is your closing thing where we talk about homework and other things of that nature. Okay. First of all, the book that we will be using this semester is called the Green Studio Handbook. They just released a brand new version of it. You do not need to buy the new version of it. Get the second edition. That looks like this. Okay. It's a lot cheaper than the first one, and there should be a lot of used copies of this out there. Okay, you will need to have this by next Monday, or next Tuesday, because I'll be assigning a few readings on, Thursday out of the book, okay? So make sure you have it. There is an old version in PDF floating around. It's not the same, so you need the second edition, all right? Any questions about that? No? Okay. Next thing. I would like you guys to produce these generic, sightless sort of building configurations. And I'm going to rather than have you guys build physical models, I'm going to let you build them in the computer. Okay. So we are going to put this here. Hopefully, I was having some problems with that picking up my voice, so I'm hoping it picks it up. So you guys are going to be doing a linear scheme. No worky. This one. That one no worky. Trash. That one worky. Yay. All right. You guys are going to be doing a linear scheme. You're going to be doing an L-shaped scheme. We're going to be doing a U-shaped scheme. We'll be doing a courtyard scheme. Okay, those are all the one-story versions. Okay, and then you're going to be doing a two-story or a split-level scheme where it has a portion over a portion. I will warn you in advance that this is going to require some thought if you use a multi-story scheme, because the person, the client for this project is in a wheelchair. So it's going to, no elevators. This is a house. No such thing. Ramps. So, but again, right now we're just doing generic studies. Now I want you guys to understand that my expectation is that the floor plan that you're producing is a legitimate floor plan with doors, windows, corridors. Okay. This is not just a grouping of rooms. This is everything inside of the volume. I'm allowing you to do it in the computer, which shouldn't take too long. Most of you have probably already generated most of the scheme. So what I'm looking for is two of each of these, two different ones. Okay? Are there any questions about that? And again, it can all be computer-based, all right? Any questions? No? All right. So as I mentioned, we're going to be trying to get everything onto Canvas. So today, the handouts that we gave you were the syllabus. So we're going to get that thing onto the Canvas page. All right. And the other thing that we gave you was the first page of the project prompt that had the listing of spaces. We'll get that onto there. All right. So today also we covered that lecture, right, which I'm going to put the videos on there, but more so than that, I'm also going to put the PowerPoint, or actually a PDF of the PowerPoint online for you guys. So you guys should be able to kind of study that thing and be prepared for an assessment, quiz, test, whatever you want to call it, on Thursday. Okay? Any questions about that?
Are we going to turn it off?
These things here are going to be due as an image, okay, they're going to be due as an image in Canvas, okay? So all of you should log on to Canvas, and from today on, make sure you're looking at Canvas, because your homework assignments are going to be turned in Canvas, okay, as well as be turned in physically. So right now, I'm just going to ask you guys to PDF one at a time, legibly. Okay? So please don't try to do them all at once and say, oh, I submitted them. I got to be able to see them. I got to be able to see the rooms. Your rooms should have names in them. Okay? Don't make me guess as to what room is what. So you're going to upload essentially 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to upload 10 images of floor plan massing volumes, right, to Canvas. Okay? They should be, let's call it full screen resolution. So they should fit a full screen.
So just floor plan?
Well, what you are working on should look something like this. And it should have doors and windows, and it should be fully labeled. So it's going to look like a three-dimensional block with the floor plan on the roof. Okay. All right. There will be on Canvas a reading assignment for you that you are to read by Thursday. All right. It's real short chapters and stuff. It's nothing complicated. So they're just it's a scanned PDF. All right. So again, one of the things that will be very different in this class is that it's going to have, quite a bit of reading involved with it. Okay? So, any questions about that?
Maybe 3D like that. Formats?
Yeah. With doors and windows. Yeah.
So floor plan, not roof plan, right? Just want to clarify.
What I'm asking for is a floor plan drawn on the roof of a massing. The massing is probably going to be 12 feet high. Okay? Other questions? Yes?
So right now we can download the site.
I'm not giving you the site yet. Right now, like I said, as I mentioned, this is siteless. So by Thursday, we'll be dealing with the site. Right now, the goal in this is for you guys to think configurationally. You have a certain number of rooms. How can I put them together? How can I put them together using these sort of geometries? Okay. Yes, sir.
So, do you want us to communicate the location of the windows and the doors on the floor plan, or do you want an actual isometric view like that?
No. Look, that's a door, that's a door, right? If there's no doors between kitchen and dining, between the garage, there might be a door. If there's a garage door out here, you just draw two little lines like that. That indicates there's an opening there. If there's a window here, you draw lines.
I'm so sorry.
So all of that is the 2D image up on a 3D massing, yes. Okay. And it might not be perfectly square. It might bump out in one area or something like that. Just remember, I don't want to see corridors that are 10 feet wide. So you guys are going to have corridors, and the corridors should be somewhere between 3 and 4 feet. Okay? All right, other questions? Okay, I'll see you guys all Thursday. And check Canvas today. All right?